One of the most common questions is usually about making friends at an online school. It's a big concern for parents, but also for pupils. There's a worry that if you join an online school, you're stuck on a computer all day and you don't really get the chance to get to know your classmates very well. At Highgrove, we have a brilliant option for electives and clubs and societies, and a fantastic house system where pupils get the chance to meet outside of their subjects, outside of their lessons, meet like-minded pupils as well. There's lots of different part-time options at Highgrove. The first would be taking independent subjects. You might be at a school or college where they don't offer a particular GCSE or A-level subject. So the option is to join Highgrove for just that subject, join our group classes and take that alongside your usual schooling or your usual education. Other options include one-to-one tuition. That's a slightly more flexible option, so it's not with group classes, but individual tuition with one of our expert tutors. That can be for one or more subjects. And the final option would be independent learning. So no live lessons, no live classes, but access to our self-study material to work through the course at your own pace. You might want to join Highgrove for just one of our elective courses. The EPQ is a good example of that, or the extended project qualification. There's also various options for electives in terms of university admissions exam preparation and just exploring areas beyond the usual curriculum. It's not a case of one size fits all. Online learning can suit a huge range of people and pupils. I think it's really a case of getting in touch, talking through the different programme options available at Highgrove and finding out what might work best for your child. We also have the option for various open events and taster lessons where you can try it out and see how you feel. Highgrove Online School is selective. The reason for that is because our courses run at a certain pace and we need to make sure that all of the pupils enrolled on those courses can keep up with the pace and be pushed to get the very best grades and achieve the best that they can. There's nothing to worry about in terms of the admissions assessments or interviews. If we find during that process that maybe the course you're applying for isn't right for your child at that time, we can suggest other options. It might be a case of taking one of our pre-GCSE or pre-A-level access courses, or possibly having some one-to-one tuition in a particular subject or in a particular area, so that your child is then ready to join their chosen programme later down the line.